Students, welcome to my online class. Today's topic is migration and its types. Migration is the movement of people in and out of the area. Migration and its types. Migration may be broadly classified as international or internal. International migration. International migration means movement of people from one country to another across the international borders is known as international migration. Internal migration. The movement of people from one region to another within the country is known as internal migration. Internal migration does not any impact on the size of population. Within countries, large number of people may move from the rural to urban areas in search of employment, education and health facilities. Patterns of population change. Rate of population growth vary across the world. Although the world's total population is rising rapidly, not all countries are experiencing this growth. Population composition. Composition of population is a vast field comprising ethnic characteristics, subdivision like races, tribes, language, religion, literacy and education, age, sex, etc. Population composition helps in understanding the social, economic and demographic structure of population. It also helps us to know how many are males or females, which age group they belong to, how educated they are and what type of occupations they are employed in, etc. Population pyramid. It's an interesting way of studying the population composition of a country is population pyramid. It also known as age-sex pyramid. How can we define population pyramid? It is age-sex pyramid and age structure diagram is a graphical illustration that shows the distribution of various age groups in a population, which normally forms the shape of a pyramid. A population pyramid shows the total population divided into various age groups, that is 5 to 9 years, 10 to 14 years. Number 2, the percentage of total population subdivided into males and females in each of those groups. Pyramid reveals us number of children below 15 years and reflect the level of births. Pyramid also shows us the number of aged people above 60 years. It also shows us how many dependents are there in a country. Conclusion. The population pyramid of a country in which birth and death rates are high is broad at the base and rapidly narrows towards the top. Skilled, spirited and hopeful young people endowed with a positive outlook for the future of any nation. We in India are fortunate to have such a resource. They must be educated and provided skills and opportunities to become able and productive. Thank you.